Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'm going to talk about A2 size envelopes. If you've been following me, you know I make a lot of cards. I average about 2,000 a year. So with all of those cards, I need a lot of envelopes. For many years, I had a great source where I could purchase envelopes in bulk, but unfortunately, that's not an option anymore. So I've been doing a little bit of research to find a new envelope source, and I thought I would share it with you. I have 4 different envelopes I'll be showing. This first one is from Heinrich. Now this is the company where I purchased envelopes for years and years. Unfortunately, their envelopes are now only for businesses. They sell to distributors and resellers. I still want to show the envelope because if you are a business, you can still purchase this. And unfortunately, I can't tell you the price of the envelopes because they only show that for people with accounts. To show the difference between the 4 envelopes, I'm using one of my very thick handmade cards. There's 2 layers of foam dimension on this. You can see the card slides easily inside the envelope. You can see through it, but it's not too bad. The paper thickness for this envelope is 24 pounds. It has the gummed seal, so it's not self-adhesive. And the size listed for all of the envelopes is 4 3/8 of an inch by 5 3/4 of an inch. Yet all 4 envelopes are slightly different sized. The next envelope is from envelopes.com. If you purchase at least 5,000, the price is 10 cents each. If you purchase less than that, the price does increase. At envelopes.com, you will get free shipping with orders over $99. This envelope is the same paperweight thickness, 24 pounds. Using the same card, I'll slide it inside the envelope. And as you can see, I'm struggling a bit. It's a very tight fit. This envelope is slightly smaller than the Heinrich envelope that I showed previously, even though it's listed as the same size. Now, most of the companies that I'm talking about do offer other varieties of envelopes. I'm just showing some of their least expensive envelopes. I'll hold the Heinrich envelope up to the envelopes.com. And I know it's hard to see since these are all white envelopes, but the envelopes.com envelope is slightly smaller than Heinrich's envelope. And that would explain why it was a tighter fit to put my card inside their envelope. The next 2 envelopes I'm showing you, I purchased on Amazon. This first one is from Winlyn, if I'm pronouncing that right. I do have it listed at 6 cents each, but the price has gone up since I recorded this video. The envelopes are now 7 cents each, and they come in a 500 count pack. So just remember that prices are always changing. They may not be what I'm showing you currently in the video. The Winlyn envelopes have the self-seal, which is really nice. If you have Amazon Prime, shipping is free. And the Winlyn envelopes are a really nice thickness, 95 pounds. Now I'm trying to get my card inside, and this is a very tight fit. It's actually a little bit smaller than envelopes.com brand. I do manage to get my card inside. I'm also being really careful since my card has all these little die cut pieces, so I don't want to accidentally rip those pieces off. The card does fit inside the envelope. I was able to close it. It has a lot of bulk, so you would need to pay additional postage to mail a card like this. I do really like this envelope, but I would only use it for cards that don't have a lot of dimension. The thicker weight paper is really nice and you cannot see through it. The final envelope I'm showing you, I also purchased on Amazon. The brand is Ohuhu. And you may have heard of this company before. They sell markers and I think other craft supplies. The envelopes are available in a 500 count and also a 1,000 count. I purchased the 1,000 count. And the price for each envelope is about 7 cents. The paper weight is 24 pounds. The envelopes do have the self-seal, and you get free shipping with Prime. My card slides easily inside this envelope. There's plenty of extra room. Not sure if it's because the company is a craft company. Maybe they know handmade cards need just that little extra room. Even though the paper weight is listed at 24 pounds, I feel like it is a little bit thicker since you can barely see through the envelope. Out of the 3 envelopes, I'm not counting Heinrich since I can no longer purchase it. My favorite 2 are Winlyn and also Ohuhu. I'll hold the 2 envelopes up together so you can see the difference in size. It's a little over 1/8 of an inch difference, which may not seem like a lot, but it does make a difference if you have a very thick card. If you don't add a lot of dimension to your cards, I would suggest the Winlyn brand because it does have the nice heavyweight cardstock. If you add more dimension to your cards, I would recommend using the Ohuhu brand. Gives you that little extra room so you can easily get a card inside and not struggle with it. Now I realize there are lots and lots of other envelopes available. For this video, I was focusing on envelopes you can purchase in bulk at a low price. If you only make maybe 100 cards a year, you probably don't need to purchase 1,000 envelopes. But if you're like me and you make a lot of cards every year and you're looking for a bulk source of envelopes, hopefully I was able to provide one for you. And I will put a link for all of the envelopes in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.